Hi, how to create an array of objects by using the Java programming. Array is a collection of similar data type that dynamically creates an objects and contains elements of primitive data types. Primitive data types are integer, string, float, long, character, double, short integer, etc. Here, the syntax is given to create the array of objects, class name, then object variable. Here, we are going to create the array of objects. So, we are using the square brackets to represent the array equal new operator. So, which is allocating the memory locations to this array of objects. Then, that array of objects is created with respect to this class name, and here we have to mention the length of the creating array. Example here, class name rackets is having 5 rackets in the array, so we can define the object variable by using this class rackets by using the array length is 5. How to initialize an array of objects? We should initialize each element of array in the given syntax, that is each object or object reference needs to be initialized. For example, here you see we are going to initialize the array of objects by using two methods. One is using the constructors and using separate member method. This diagram shows how we are creating the array of objects. Here three objects are created, that is three objects are having the same variable 1 and 2. Here example is given with respect to creating the class name is rackets, right? And this is having four variables. All four variables are private, and each one is having its own data type: string, the variable racket type, origin, color, and integer variable is price. And here we are going to create the constructor by using the class name rackets, which is taking all four arguments: racket type, origin, price, string, color, and we are going to assign the values to this current variables which are mentioned by using this keyword. Here to this racket constructor, we are going to assign the values by using the main method. So inside the main method, we are going to create the uh, array of objects by using the class rackets, which is defined inside another class shopkeeper 1. So this is the driver class. Why it is called a driver class? In the sense, the whichever class which is having the main method, then that class is called driver class. Here the driver class is creating array of objects with respect to rackets class, which is having the array length is 4. So for array is always started with index 0. So here we are creating array of objects. First array index is 0. The object variable is rack. So here for this array we are going to assign the values with the four arguments. The four arguments already we have seen here: racket type, origin, price, string, color. So for these four arguments, racket type is Valtric, then origin is America, then price is given here, and the color is given as a fourth argument. So now the second index is assigned with another four values. Third index is assigned with another four values. Then fourth index is assigned with another four values. So here the array is having length 4, index is assigned 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so here all the four variables are four array variables are created with four indices. Now we are going to display those values which are assigned with index 0 by calling the method show. So here the show method is displaying by using the system dot out println output statement, racket type is value, and origin is second value, price is third value, and color is fourth value. Then we are giving one line space for uh, getting clarity in the output. So here you see, once you called this method, this value, the racket data in RACK0 is displaying as per this printout statement, right? So first record is printed here. Then here you are calling the next system dot println statement. Here the second record is record label is printed. Then we are calling the second record RACK of 1 with values, and which is displaying by calling the show method here. Then the second record is displaying with these values. Okay, so then we are printing the third record is here, its values are printed by calling show method. Then like that, fourth one. So the array of objects are created and passing the values using the constructor. Okay, through the constructor, and we are displaying the values. And another one method to create an array of objects and assign the values by using separate member method. So here shopkeeper class is created and main method is created. In the main method we are creating array variable by using the class rackets. The length of the array is 4. As usual, we are creating the 4 array objects. Okay, so the first one, you see, just we are calling the default method rackets. So here this is just we are calling the rackets method here. That rackets method is just a default constructor. Okay, just a default constructor, we are not passing any values. So 4 variables are created for array objects. Then for each array objects we are assigning separate member method. We are calling separate member method to assign the values. Set data is created here. The set data is the member method here, which is taking 4 argument values, racket type, origin, price, color. So by using the member method we are just assigning the values. So here for this member methods we are passing the values, 4 arguments, racket type, origin, price, and color. So like that, when you are calling this method, automatically these 4 values are passing to this member method. Then this all the values are assigned to respective current object values. Then after that, here we are assigning values to second object variable, and assigning the values to third object variable, assigning the values to fourth object variables. Now just we are printing the values whatever we assigned to each and every object variable. The first object variable is rack of 0 here, which is calling the method show method. So here show method is just displaying the values. Okay, what we have passed here, racket type, origin, price, and color. Then we are leaving one line space here, this empty line space. So first we are printing the racket of 0, right? Then we are calling here second object variable dot show, then third object variable dot show, and fourth object variable dot show. So here all 4 values are printed. Then finally when you are coming to this main method, so after this the class is completed its execution. So here we can create an array of objects by using a constructor or separate member method. Thanks for watching.